Warning: don't let age dictate your energy or performance. If you've noticed a decline in stamina, libido, or overall vitality, the solution isn't a synthetic fix. It's a simple, daily carrot and banana tonic designed for peak male health. This urologist-approved homemade energy vitamin drink is scientifically engineered with antioxidants, electrolytes, and ginger to dramatically improve circulation, boost natural energy, and naturally enhance sexual performance so you can confidently stay stronger for longer. Keep watching now to unlock the formula that will make you feel like you did in your prime. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, powerful daily routines and proven natural performance hacks. Today, I'll show you a remarkably simple recipe that is strategically designed to help you feel like you did in your prime again. This powerful blend targets the foundational elements of men's health: cardiovascular strength, sustained energy, and optimized hormone support. By focusing on these areas, you will naturally stay stronger for longer and experience a significant boost in your overall male performance and sexual stamina. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a daily ritual for sexual longevity. Carrots, the beta-carotene booster for male wellness and sperm quality. I begin this energizing recipe by preparing one fresh, medium-sized carrot. I'll start by meticulously slicing it into small, uniform rounds. Carrots are an absolute powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, particularly beta-carotene, provitamin A, and powerful antioxidants. They are famously great for improving vision and skin health, but crucially, they also support men's wellness by enhancing circulation and providing key nutrients vital for cellular health. Studies show that the concentrated carotenoids in carrots can significantly improve sperm quality, motility, and count, a direct benefit for reproductive health and overall male vitality. I'm tossing the slices directly into a high-speed blender, creating the initial foundation for our nutrient-dense tonic. The high level of antioxidants also acts as an anti-aging elixir by protecting cells from damage. Banana, the electrolyte recharge for heart health and mood. Next up, we integrate the primary energy source, a banana. I personally prefer to use a slightly green banana in this recipe. This is a strategic choice because the lower sugar content minimizes rapid blood glucose spikes, allowing the potent carrot flavor and its carotenoid benefits to truly shine through. The resistant starch provides a slower, more sustained release of energy, essential for long-lasting sexual stamina. I will slice the banana into rounds, just like the carrot, ensuring uniform blending. Bananas are nature's perfect energy booster. They are exceptionally rich in potassium, an essential electrolyte that is paramount for cardiovascular health, helping to regulate blood pressure, a critical factor for optimal erectile function and male performance. Furthermore, the natural compounds in bananas, like tryptophan, are known to subtly lift your mood and reduce performance-related stress and anxiety, which directly contributes to peak male confidence. I am adding the banana to the blender with the carrots, creating a perfect, nutrient-dense pair for stamina and vascular tone. To elevate this simple blend into a true male vitality formula, we introduce 3 powerful ingredients renowned for their anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and aphrodisiac properties. This synergistic core ensures the benefits of the fruits and vegetables are maximized. Ginger, the natural aphrodisiac and anti-inflammatory root. The next crucial ingredient is ginger. I'm carefully slicing a couple of thin pieces from a fresh, peeled root. Ginger is a globally recognized root with potent benefits. It actively strengthens your immune system, significantly aids digestion, and is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory agent, which is vital for reducing systemic inflammation, a common culprit behind chronic fatigue and age-related decline. Most importantly for sexual stamina, ginger is celebrated as a subtle but effective natural aphrodisiac because its active compounds, gingerols, dramatically improve circulation and generate internal warmth. This enhanced blood flow is directly linked to better male performance and a feeling of internal warmth and vitality, helping you stay stronger for longer. I am adding the ginger slices to the blender too, ready to infuse its warming, medicinal properties into our drink. Lemon juice, the vascular cleanser and youthful vitamin C charge. Now, I'm taking half a fresh lemon and firmly squeezing the juice out. Lemons are an absolute powerhouse of vitamin C, a key antioxidant. They are profoundly refreshing, provide an immediate boost to your immune system, and the antioxidants they contain actively help to keep you youthful by fighting free radical damage, essential for sexual longevity. The vitamin C also supports collagen production, vital for healthy arteries and connective tissue. I managed to get about 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of juice, which is the perfect amount for potency. But if you've got strong hands, you might get even more of this essential nutrient. I'll pour the fresh lemon juice into a separate bowl. This is a strategic step, as we prepare the liquid base separately for optimal honey dissolution. Honey, the antiseptic energy boost and immunity supporter. To this bowl of lemon juice, I am adding 2 generous teaspoons of natural raw honey. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener, it's a powerful natural antibacterial and antiseptic agent, great for soothing the throat and providing a clean, sustained energy boost. The combination of honey and lemon creates a classic tonic that supports the body's natural defenses. The complex sugars in honey, unlike refined sugars, contribute to stable energy, a key factor in maintaining stamina and avoiding the energy crashes that undermine male performance. The trace minerals also contribute to overall men's health optimization. The final steps involve integrating the liquid base and blending to create the perfect, highly bioavailable tonic that can be consumed daily for maximum benefit. Water. The hydration and dissolving agent, we need a total of 12 ounces, about 350 milliliters, of liquid for optimal blending consistency. I am adding clean drinking water to the lemon and honey mixture in the bowl. I meticulously mix it all together until the honey is completely dissolved, ensuring every sip will deliver a consistent dose of the beneficial compounds. Now I am pouring this lemon honey water mixture into the blender with the carrots, banana, and ginger. Blending and the science of sexual longevity. The final and most crucial physical step, blending everything until it's nice and smoothly emulsified. The key here is to blend until there are absolutely no fibrous chunks left, allowing the body to absorb the nutrients with minimal digestive effort. Look at that gorgeous, vibrant, orange-yellow color. This is not just aesthetically pleasing, it is a visible signal of pure vitamin-packed goodness and high antioxidant density. And there you have it. Our simple, yet profoundly effective natural sexual stamina drink is ready. This tonic is scientifically loaded with vitamins A from Beta-Carotene and C, essential potassium, and vital antioxidants. It's incredibly refreshing, dramatically boosts your skin health and immunity, and provides a clean, natural energy kick that lasts for hours, unlike the jitters of pure caffeine. The reason this simple recipe can help you feel like you're 30 again and stay stronger for longer lies in its synergistic action. The potassium and vitamin C actively guard the heart and blood vessels, essential for erectile function. The beta-carotene supports cellular longevity and reproductive health, and the ginger provides an underlying, crucial circulatory and anti-inflammatory boost. This holistic approach to men's health optimization is the secret to enduring male vitality and sexual longevity. Give it a try. You're going to love the sustained energy and the way it makes you feel. Do not forget to like, subscribe to Men's Health, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me how this homemade energy vitamin drink has improved your peak male performance. See you next time, and keep striving for your best health. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.